This Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty property video is presented by Kim Swagert. This lovely home is super well maintained and cared for and has many enjoyable updates. Downstairs you will find the living room, kitchen, dining, laundry, 2 bedrooms and a bath. Upstairs features 2 more bedrooms, a large bathroom and a great room with bonus space for an office or craft area, as well as lake views and a deck. There is a large, landscaped yard that has been lovingly tended and a good-sized deck for enjoying the outdoors. This home also has loads of parking, a single-car garage and room for an RV with hookups. So much home for the money, come take a look. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Swagert at 541-884-1343.